Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which browsers show Search Goose, because the removal steps differ slightly. Once identified, export bookmarks and important passwords to avoid accidental loss. Next, open your browser's extensions or add-ons panel. This is where you'll first disable or remove the unwanted extension. If removal is blocked, make sure the profile isn't managed. Managed profiles often prevent deletion. These initial actions remove the immediate extension and prepare the system for deeper cleanup if needed. Once the extension is gone, focus on settings and leftovers so Search Goose can't persist. Reset your default search engine and homepage in each browser. This restores where new tabs and searches go. Then, manually check common locations for leftover files, Windows app data, Mac OS /library, or the browser profile folder, and remove suspicious entries. After that, run a reputable anti-malware scan to catch potentially unwanted programs. If the tool finds remnants, follow its removal prompts to ensure the infection is fully cleared. To finish, clear each browser's cache, cookies, and saved site data to remove redirects and stored settings. Then restart the browsers and your device. Make sure to change passwords for accounts used while infected and enable two-factor authentication where possible, because persistent extensions can capture credentials. Once done, verify searches behave normally. If problems remain, reinstall the browser or remove any unknown user profiles. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, boot into safe mode and repeat scans and file deletions to avoid active process interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.